I'm doing it. I'm going into Savers. I have not been in Savers in such a long time. I really want to go to David's Bridal. I was in there, and I've never been in there except for to look at prom stuff, but never. I was actually very disappointed, but I don't think I could film in there. Okay, as soon as I walk in, we have some of the jewelry here. Some are $10.99, $8.99, $10.99 right here. I never really look in their jewelry. There's some big pieces in here. Look at this table. $25.99. You could definitely buff everything out of here. It's still a good table. It's not like that cheap crap. This is good.
Yeah.
Buff it. Oh yeah. Only 25 bucks. You could even probably make this into a poker table.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Okay, what do we have? Sometimes on the little spring. Look at these little bunnies. Like all these little knickknacks, they do kind of crack me up. One thing about Savers, they always have these dolls. She looks like an American Girl doll. Like her face. And her hair looks real. Like, look at this guy. Okay. Oh, it's a girl. 20. Oh, no. She's alive. Look, she looks. You
The
could.
eyes are nice. I like the glass eyes.
How old is this doll? But look, it's like the. Just so weird, right?
With new clothes on it.
20. Yeah, that's.
Doll with new clothes.
It is.
Baby clothes.
It's definitely one you keep like. You say it's haunted, but it's probably not. But you know, you'll never know.
That's
Yeah.
my favorite.
Ah, so funny little hat.
I'll show you what is haunted.
Which one?
This one right there.
The sailor. Oh,
You
don't
know
drop
that
that.
one's haunted.
These are porcelain. I used to have a porcelain one, and I did, in fact, stick it in my closet because I was like, 10 for that guy. And these are $7.99. No, $2.99. I was like, 7. I never know what you're gonna find. Oh, look at that. That's kind of interesting. Oh, that's decent looking. Oh my gosh, they have like the wizard.
Oh, that's cool. That's fine.
Peoria. Oh my gosh. I bet you one of these are my sons. Nah, I keep them. They're all in the.
These are volleyball though.
They're all in the garage.
I hope they're not used to volleyballs.
The little piggy bank. Oh, let me get closer. Which on the light? Look at all those guys back there, like $2.99. Oh, is it too blurry?
Bowling trophy.
Oh, there we go. There's this little bear here.
This thing is cool.
Toad. Which one? Oh yeah, I saw that. Hey, this guy, I saw him last year. He's still here. This guy right here.
Oh yeah.
And it came with
Paper
other things.
pointer.
Okay, see these right here? I don't know what these are, but my grandma had these in her house. Do you remember seeing them in her house? On the
Yeah.
bookshelf, these little things?
Yeah.
I don't even know, like, who makes them?
I don't know.
She had these. These are $4. So, like, little baby in there. Is he a caroler?
I don't know what it is.
There's a girl one, too.
Yeah, he looks like a carrot.
Or, like, an old-fashioned one? He looks like those carolers that are like, oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, look at that lady just hanging
Got
out
the hand warmer and everything.
on the chair. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, we got Christmas in here. Oh, these are $1.50. Oh, I want to know what they look like. Look at these.
Oh yeah. That's cool. Let me see. Look the same.
Look at that pumpkin one.
He's even cooler in person. He's just not blue though.
No.
Let's see. Oops, sorry. Oh, he is blue.
Oh, he is. Look at his bald Santa. You see that bald Santa?
1993.
1993.
Made in Russia.
Made in the Russia. These snowman. Oh, he's cute. That's a cute little
This
girl.
is just the Russian.
$1.99. Oh, look down here. $12.49. These are like $2.50.
Oh, it's an Avon bottle. This Avon bottle.
Is that perfume?
It's an aftershave.
That's so funny. Do you guys remember that Mary Kay brochures, pamphlets, whatever? Is Mary Kay even around anymore?
Oh, you can still smell it.
Okay, these are nice. $7.99 for that. That's $7.99 as well. Look at the punch bowl. Hey, I had that growing up. I had a punch bowl like that. It's funny. Yeah, 10. This looks like what my mom had. I mean, you could definitely buy tons of plates here if you are moving new apartment. Like 8 for $10 right here. You get like a set. 46 piece, $70. Is that like a toaster oven? Baby George? Anyone still have their Meet the Parents on VHS? No way. I mean, I don't have it at VHS, $1.50. Sister Act. I like 1 and 2. Ghost. Haven't seen Ghost in forever. My gosh, it's making me feel old. Lord of the Rings. You know, they're supposed to make a new La Bamba. I feel like don't make it. Pauly Shore like was huge when I was growing up in elementary school. I was like, I did a whole thing on Pauly Shore. Tumbleweed. Oh my gosh, my in-laws have all his stuff. Gone with the Wind. Oh my gosh. Hollow Man. Wow. Quilting. That's down here. I mean, sometimes you could just buy one and it could be good music. Poetry with motion. Earth Angel. Earth Angel. Maybe I know that one. Look at it. He sings Earth Angel.
No, that's funny.
This is see a price.
You never know what you find in there.
I mean, you could just buy one. Of Evening with Man. Oh, I don't know who that is.
Well, they play. I hope they weren't like into my storage garage.
CDs. You know what's really funny about CDs? This lady at the dog park, her son got like a new car, right? And my husband's all like, "Oh, does it come with like a CD player?"
Yeah, exactly.
And he's all like, he said, I hope he was joking and trying to make us feel old. He's all like, "What's a CD player?" My husband's like, when I first got my car, I had like a 5-disc CD player and.
Oh well, yeah. My first one had a tape deck, and then my second car, had like a 5-disc player.
And then he's all like, "No," and they hook it up to like their phone and stuff like that. But I was like, nobody has CDs. But my husband did get rid of his CDs. He should have kept them. I remember he got mad one day, many years ago. I think we got into a fight, or it kept skipping, and he was like so mad. He chucked out his whole CD book in Walmart parking lot. I was like, okay. I mean, he had like everything, like old Metallica CDs and like burnt CDs. Who knows what else? Like tons of stuff. And he was so mad. He just chucked it out the window. I was like, oh, I wanted that. Where's Dan Quayle?
Yeah, that's a weird one. It's like a wall over.
Alright, let's look over here. This is where like furniture would be. Hey, that guy came from Home Goods. We know this one. What fridge? What am I looking at? Oh. Oh. Oh, we don't have a lot of electronics here in this location. I'm in Savers, not Goodwill. Goodwill has plenty. Hey, you need new lights in here? My husband is always buying new lights. So I'm like, dude, I'm tired of spending money each year on new lights. They do have nice ties here though, so we're needing some ties. Belts, these don't look bad either. Okay, that's kind of cute. $8.99. Just started walking around. There's some dresses in here, like springtime dresses. Remember when Galaxy was huge? And then the Skater Galaxy dress. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Savers. Just kind of came in to see what kind of like knickknacks they have. I mean, sometimes I think there's one particular Savers I do like, and I think that's in Scottsdale, Arizona. This one's not so much, but thank you so much for browsing with me. I like their knickknack department. It's always finding funny stuff in there. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, these are like more rings in here.